Oh, would you take a look at that? I bought back into some cryptocurrency, Bitcoin in particular here, and in this video, I want to share with you all why I did this and kind of compare my mindset here in 2020 when it comes down to cryptocurrency and Bitcoin in particular to my mindset back in 2017 when I first got into cryptocurrency, and quite frankly, I was gambling back then, just looking to get into the run-up. If you guys don't remember, Bitcoin ran up to 20,000 back in 2017, 2018. I was just looking to get some quick money back then. So I want to go over the shift from then to now and how I'm viewing Bitcoin moving forward and my plans as I plan on adding more to my overall position here to build this part of my asset class, right? And we'll go over why it's important to diversify not only in the stock market, but in other areas like precious metals, gold, silver, cryptocurrency, right? Real estate. You can have a farm. You can have oil, right? So it's important to diversify, in my opinion, around many different sectors and industries and so forth, right? So right here on my Coinbase account, you guys can see I have $250 worth of crypto right now. That's my current portfolio balance. And if we go over here to the portfolio tab, you guys can see, again, I haven't been in the crypto game since that run up back in 2017, a little bit in 2018. That's when I just kind of dropped it completely and stopped trading it whatsoever. So by no means am I some kind of crypto guy like, oh man, I made so much money in crypto. No, the honest truth is I'm more of a novice. I'm not too advanced. I don't know a lot about crypto, but I do know it's a way to hedge against the traditional economy, right? The stock market, the US dollar. So I think in this point in time where we are, the CV, again, all those jobless claims of 40 million at this point, almost 15% plus unemployment in the United States. I think it's a good time to just slowly add into some Bitcoin. And of course, you guys do your own due diligence. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just sharing with you all my personal experience and what I'm doing right now. So if we go back, let's have some fun here, guys. Let's go back and see what I was doing in 2017. So you guys can see I bought Bitcoin, price per coin 7,100 here. I bought more at about 5,900. You can see I was transferring it in and out of Coinbase, but ultimately I think I sold out at like 16,000 a coin or something like that. You can see here I sent some at 16,000 a coin. So it was just really me trying to get some quick money in and out. I was playing with like $500, $1,000, nothing too crazy. And I actually lost a good amount of money, and this is when I kind of cut the cord with crypto, when I was in Litecoin. If you guys take a look here, Litecoin, go to my wallet, we can see I was buying Litecoin, get this, guys, at $300 per coin. I had $1,000 there. You guys can see if we move a little bit forward here, I ended up selling out, I think, at like 85 a coin, 100 a coin, 150 a coin. I lost a lot of money. I mean, not a lot of dollar amount, because it was at the time more of a speculative portfolio where I'm just playing with kind of money I'm willing to lose. But still, I lost about 60, 70, 80% of my investment. But that's when I was viewing it from a trading perspective. Now I'm viewing it as a longer term hold. I'm looking to buy this Bitcoin and just forget about it, right? I'm going to put it in a hardware wallet, completely forget about it, and just hold it for the long term. And again, it's a way to hedge against the US dollar, the economy, and people view it as a digitalized gold. It's the new age gold, right? There's a lot of arguments between Bitcoin and gold, and I actually own both. You can see I own Bitcoin now, and I do own gold as well, and I'm in the camp where it's like, why not own both? Just own both. If you're on the gold side, the Bitcoin side, you're arguing, I think just own a little bit of both. Why not? You have nothing really to lose. You know, in the worst case scenario, yeah, you lose your money on Bitcoin, gold. I doubt gold's actually going to go to zero. But worst case scenario, you lose money on Bitcoin, but that's okay because the idea is to put an amount of money in here that you're not willing or that you are willing to lose. So let's say you have a pie of investments, 100%, right? In Bitcoin, and this is kind of what I'm looking to do, I'm only looking to put in 1 to 2% of my net worth, right? If that, like 1%, you know, a couple $100, couple $1,000, whatever. That's what I'm looking to do, you know, at this point in time. And heading in the future, you know, I'm looking to do $250 chunk buys. If we take a look here to actually buy on Coinbase, and it's awesome how they've advanced their platform because, again, I haven't been on here in about 2 years. I logged in a couple days ago. I was like, wow, they really advanced this thing. But to actually buy crypto here, you go to prices, you click Bitcoin, and actually, why not? Let's just buy some right here live on the camera. I think I bought, actually, let's take a look at where I bought it yesterday at $250. I bought some at about $9,050 per Bitcoin. Now it's gone up to about 9,200. So should I buy? Let's just buy $50 for the video. Why not? Who gives a crap, right? Let's just do it. Let's buy $50 worth of Bitcoin. Buy now, just to show you guys. Oh, I should have paused there, but they do take some sort of fee out. I think it was like $1.99 or something like that. They take some sort of fee out, processing fee, but that's okay. It doesn't really bother me because overall, again, it's a long-term hedge investment. I'm not really worried about the little $2 fees, as I don't really plan on them eating into the gains too much, quite honestly, guys. So overall, that is kind of what I'm doing here, the mindset shift. You know, now I'm looking at it more as a longer term hedge investment, kind of an uncorrelated investment. Back then in 2017, I was just in it for the quick buck. I wasn't looking to buy and hold it, quite honestly. I got in and out, lost some money on Litecoin, and that's just the shift right now, guys. And moving forward, I plan on buying not a crazy amount, but probably like a couple hundred, maybe 100, 200 a month, you know, maybe 300 a month. We'll see how it goes. And if it goes under, you know, 5,000, 4,000, obviously I'll buy more. I'm kind of treating it like, not really like a stock, but kind of in the similar way where I'm looking to just average if it goes down. And if it goes above 10,000, I'll probably add a little bit more as well. So if you guys enjoyed the video, hit that like button for me. Quick video today. I'll probably make an update on Bitcoin, Coinbase videos here, maybe once a month, because my channel is more stock market oriented. But I'd love to know if you guys want me to make more videos about crypto. Let me know down below in the comments. Coming from somebody that's more of a not an advanced guy, right? More of an intermediate person just looking to hedge against the markets, right? I'd love to know if you guys want me to make more videos. And if you guys actually want to get $10 in Bitcoin from Coinbase, I just saw this. They actually have an affiliate program here where if you use my link down below in the description, you actually buy or sell $100 on Coinbase, either or, buy or sell, you actually get $10 in Bitcoin. So go get that free Bitcoin, the $10 worth if you want. Again, that's linked down below in the description. I'll catch you all in the next video. Thanks for watching. Thanks for all the support. As always, peace out.